Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add an admin to your ClickUp workspace. As of January 2026, ClickUp's role-based permission system allows for efficient team collaboration. We'll cover the steps, roles, and permissions involved, focusing on how workspace owners can delegate administrative tasks effectively. Adding an admin is crucial for scaling your team and distributing responsibilities. Only the workspace owner has the authority to promote a user to admin status. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized privilege escalation. Adding an admin is beneficial when the owner needs assistance managing users, permissions, and workspace settings. It's especially useful in larger teams where the owner might be overwhelmed with administrative tasks. In late 2024, ClickUp introduced advanced permissions, allowing for even finer control over admin delegation. To add an admin in ClickUp, start by logging in as the workspace owner. Next, navigate to Workspace Settings and click on People. Select the member you want to promote from the list. Change their role to admin. The user will receive a notification about their new role. It's important to understand the difference between an owner and an admin in ClickUp. The owner has ultimate authority over the workspace, while the admin focuses on operational management. The owner possesses full control over the ClickUp workspace. This includes managing billing and payment details, deleting the entire workspace if needed, and having the authority to add or remove admins. In contrast, the admin role is designed for day-to-day workspace management. Admins can manage users, set permissions, edit workspace settings, and invite new members. However, they cannot access billing information or delete the workspace. This chart shows how permissions differ across roles, from guest to owner, helping clarify what each role can do within workspaces, spaces, and other ClickUp elements. The ClickUp hierarchy shows how workspaces contain spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Owners and admins work at the workspace level to maintain this structure. This clear separation of roles ensures that critical functions like billing and workspace integrity remain under owner control, while delegating operational management to trusted admins for efficient team collaboration. Admins in ClickUp have extensive capabilities that help manage the workspace effectively. They can invite and remove users from the workspace. Admins manage custom fields to organize project data. They set permissions for lists and tasks at a granular level. Admins configure workspace settings to maintain smooth operations. However, admins cannot create sub-workspaces independently. That's reserved for workspace owners. A 2025 update introduced the workspace cloning tool, allowing admins to replicate settings for new projects. Overall, admins oversee the smooth operation of the workspace at a granular level. ClickUp's permission system is evolving with emerging trends like AI integration and decentralization. These changes are making team management more efficient and adaptable to modern work environments. One major trend is the increasing use of AI for permission recommendations. ClickUp's Smart Roles feature analyzes user activity to suggest appropriate role upgrades, reducing administrative overhead and ensuring users have the right access levels. Decentralization is another key trend, where granular permissions allow for highly customized roles tailored to specific team needs. This moves away from traditional top-down hierarchies toward more flexible, distributed control. For hybrid teams, ClickUp is favoring flexible guest roles that support remote and in-office collaboration. This approach reduces reliance on rigid hierarchies and improves productivity in distributed work environments, as shown by the growing adoption of video conferencing and collaboration tools. Consider a tech startup using ClickUp to manage its projects. By adding multiple admins across global teams, the workspace owner can delegate regional responsibilities. Admins can then manage permissions to ensure developers have access to code lists, while limiting interns to read-only access. This decentralization reduces management overhead and improves efficiency. A Boston-based fintech firm reported a 50% reduction in management overhead by delegating admin rights. To effectively manage admins in ClickUp, start by providing clear guidelines and expectations for their roles and responsibilities. Regularly audit permissions to ensure they align with user roles and current responsibilities. preventing security risks. Utilize ClickUp's API for automating admin additions and permission updates, streamlining management processes. For larger enterprises, consider investing in ClickUp training to minimize confusion and maximize efficiency. Stay informed about ClickUp's updates as features and permissions continue to evolve. Thanks for watching.